everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make baked chocolate marshmallows for Halloween. It's a perfect last minute idea. Easy yet delicious, everyone loves it. Ingredients are easy to get, only 3 ingredients. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Break the chocolate into small pieces and melt over a double boiler. Add flour and mix well. Line a 4-inch square box, any box is okay, with parchment paper and pour in the batter. Put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes to set. Meanwhile, preheat the oven. Cut the chocolate into 16 square pieces. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Place marshmallows while the chocolates are hot. Push a little bit to attach securely. Draw faces with chocolate pen if you have. You can melt chocolate in a plastic bag and snip off the end. And now it's done! Easy last-minute idea for Halloween. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more Halloween recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
チョコマシュマロどれにしようかなおやつの時間ちょうどいいカリカリしててふわふわしたりカリカリしていましたこれでさちっちゃく潰してさこうやってパラパラって髪の毛にして
ああ、そうだね。かわいいね、そしたらね。
登録お願いします。グッドボタンを押してね。バイバイ。